TikTok, YouTube, wherever this video lands, wherever it may go. Okay, what's going on? I hope you guys are having an amazing day like I am. Okay, I'm in Anchor right now, getting ready for ship for the weekend. Anyways, let's get right to it. Here's the homepage for Bitrue. Okay, Bitrue being on the XRP ledger, so this is probably one of the safest exchanges that you could probably utilize to buy XRP and all of ISO 222. Let's get right to it though. Deposit your token, right? Whatever it may be. Bitcoin, USDT. Next is farming, yielding, right? Instructions right there, top right. Question mark if you want to learn that. Next would be Power Piggy, right? What is Power Piggy? That's where you go to stake. If you want to stake your crypto, Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, whatever it may be, right? You can search it right there. Click it, details, then you look for the minimum right there, right? So you see what you need for the minimum to stake your Bitcoin. And then if you add BTR, Bitrue, right, you can gain more rewards from adding BTR. Next is BTR Vote, that allows you to vote on future projects or tokens that are coming onto Bitrue, right? You get a percentage of that. Bitrue Partners, if you want to share your referral link and everything, right, gain more from trading fees, etc. The higher you go, the less trading fees. Reward Center, that's where if you complete any tasks throughout Bitrue, so whatever it may be, trading, etc., right, bringing people in, whatever it may be, you get rewarded for it. Then after that is loans and ETF. Okay, loans and ETFs, you want to make sure before you do anything with loans, right, on Bitrue, you want to make sure you are KYC verified. Okay, you want to make sure you are fully verified if you're going to do anything with loans or anything. Okay, so make sure you have your identification and everything all done and set up. I got $5 in the reward center. I was going to try and use it and show you that I was going to grab Anchor, right? I was going to go long on Anchor, but it wasn't allowing me to show you. Okay, the reason why I was showing you was because if you go on Bitrue, right, I know you know how to buy crypto and everything, but some people don't really fully know or understand, and I'm not calling you out, okay, but some people don't know limit order, market order, and then the stop loss. Okay, you have the limit order, right? When you go to do a limit order, if you want to buy, let's just say XRP at 50 cents, right, and you put a limit order, you're going to buy XRP at 50 cents because you put it in as a limit order for 50 cents. So you're going to buy all XRP at 50 cents. Now, if you do a market buy, right, you might grab some at 50 cents, but then someone else might be selling XRP at, let's just say 50 cents, 0.5. Okay, so you're probably paying a little bit more because you're doing market buy. Okay, you're buying whatever people are selling. Okay, at that moment right there, right then and there. Same thing with selling. Okay, limit sell, and then market sell, same thing. So if you have, let's just say, XRP at $1.25 and someone you're trying to sell, and the next person that's selling, the limit buy is at what, $1.20, and there's no other buying power, right? You're going to be stuck at selling whatever it is that people put right there on top of whatever he had. So again, $1.10, whatever it may be, that's what you're going to try and grab. But just be wary of how you utilize them, and other than that, that's the Bitrue app. There you go. If you have any questions, comment below. Ask me anything you need to know. Like, subscribe.